I've been a hairstylist for over 38 years. My hair falling out, so I was very concerned. Unbeknownst to me, I have a friend of mine that knows Dr. Bolton and Josh very well. We were just having dinner one night and the conversation came up. The results, beyond my expectations ever. That has a lot to do, I believe, with Dr. Bolton. The process is easy. Of course, Josh always will support you and stand by you. If anybody is thinking about doing any kind of hair restoration, this is something that I would, how can I say, is a gift from God in my mind.